In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a VGA monitor to an Android phone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If your monitor has a VGA port and you want to connect it to an Android phone, then you will be able to do this by using the appropriate cable. Of course, you will need a standard VGA cable. One end will go into the monitor, but connecting the other end to the phone directly is impossible. So what you have to do is use an adapter. This adapter will go into the charging port of your Android device, so plug it into the charging port, aka the USB-C port, and this will give you access to a VGA port that now you can use to plug it into the monitor. So one end of the VGA cable goes into the port on the monitor, and the other one goes into this port available by the adapter. Once this connection is established, the image on your phone will be mirrored over on the monitor. This will work for any Android device as long as you use the proper cables. If it is not appearing right away on the monitor, make sure that it is receiving proper power through an external power supply, that it is powered on, and that the connection and cables are properly connected and fully established. It's as simple as using the proper adapter, which gives you access to a VGA port. Once you have the VGA port, then you just use the cable here, standard VGA, to connect the monitor and the phone together. The adapter will serve as the bridge, and you can find these adapters on places like Amazon for cheap. Just look for VGA to USB-C. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.